Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut on PC. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am in CapCut, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to import my media file from the top here, so this import file. So I'm just going to drag and drop it down here. Amazing. And once it's loaded, we're just going to press play and then we can just see that that is loading for us. Amazing. Cool. So in order to reverse this, what we're going to do is click on our media and then we're going to come to this little button here that's got a play button with an arrow. And then as you can see, that says reverse. So we're just going to give that a click and then you can see that is reversing the clip for us. So once we do that, so let's have a look and let's give that a play. And that has reversed that clip, which looks amazing. Like the dramatics of it is just brilliant. I think you could get really creative creating your content with that little tool. Love it. And that is it. Super quick one for you today, guys, just on how to reverse a clip in CapCut. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.